In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to edit image on Draw.io. To get started, open your Draw.io workspace, also known as diagrams.net, and go into the editor where your image is already placed. Once you're inside the canvas, the first thing you need to do is find the image you want to edit and click on it to select it. When the image is selected, you'll see handles appear around it. These handles are what you'll use to make basic adjustments like rotating and resizing. If you want to rotate the image, look toward the top right area of the selected image for the rotate handle. Move your cursor over that handle, click and hold, and then drag to rotate the image into the position you want. This is useful if your image was inserted at the wrong angle or if you want to align it better with other elements in your diagram. Take your time here so the rotation looks clean and intentional. If the image needs to be larger or smaller, use the resize handles instead. Click on one of the handles around the image and drag inward to make it smaller or outward to make it larger. This gives you a quick way to adjust the image so it fits properly on your page or works better with the rest of your layout. As you resize, try to keep the image visually balanced within your diagram so it doesn't feel too crowded or too small to notice. If you want to crop the image, right-click directly on it and choose Crop from the menu. A pop-up will appear giving you a few different ways to refine the visible area of the image. You can manually enter values for the X and Y axis, along with width and height if you want more precise control. This is especially helpful when you need consistent cropping or exact positioning. You can also crop more visually by using the resize handles on the crop preview. Just drag the edges until only the part of the image you want remains visible. In addition to standard cropping, you'll also have shape options available, so you can choose whether the crop should be a rectangle, a rounded shape, or an ellipse. That can be a nice touch if you want the image to match the style of your diagram. Once you're happy with the crop, click Apply to save the changes. And that's it. You've now learned how to select, rotate, resize, and crop an image in Draw.io.